Did you know AI can fully automate your social media strategy and save hours of work? Hours, you hear me? That's time you could be building real relationships, connecting with your audience, and scaling your business. The game has changed, my friends, and you either adapt or get left behind. We're talking AI-powered content creation, automated scheduling like you've never seen, and engagement tactics that actually work. I'm talking about blowing up your engagement, skyrocketing your reach, and turning your social media into a lean, mean, content-creating machine. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to leverage the power of AI to absolutely crush it on social media. We're going deep on the best tools, the strategies that are winning right now, and how to make this whole AI thing work for you. You ready? Let's go. Let's cut to the chase. AI isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's here right now, and it's changing the game. We're talking about tools that can analyze your audience better than ever before. They know what they want to see, when they want to see it, and how they want to see it. Imagine this: AI crafting your social media posts, optimizing for each platform, hitting that algorithm sweet spot every single time. No more guessing, no more wasted time, just pure data-driven content that converts. And the best part? While AI is working its magic in the background, you're free to focus on the human stuff, building genuine connections, engaging with your community, and taking your business to the next level. Listen up, because this is where the rubber meets the road. We're diving into the best AI tools on the market right now, the ones that are going to revolutionize your social media game. First up, ChatGPT. This AI writing assistant is a beast. Content creation, brainstorming, even customer service, ChatGPT does it all. Then we've got Canva AI, your new secret weapon for stunning visuals. Templates, graphics, even AI-generated images. Canva takes your content to the next level. And let's not forget the heavy hitters of Automation, Hootsuite, and Buffer. These platforms are scheduling and managing your content like a boss, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. And if you're looking for next-level video creation, Lumen 5 is your go-to. AI-powered video editing that's both powerful and easy to use. Alright, enough talk. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty and show you how to implement this AI magic into your social media strategy. First up, we're generating killer content with the help of AI. Think attention-grabbing headlines, engaging captions, and content that's tailor-made for your audience. Next, we're automating that content across all your platforms, scheduling posts at peak engagement times, hitting different time zones, and keeping your audience hooked 24/7. But it doesn't stop there. We're taking customer service to the next level with AI chatbots, answering questions, providing support, and keeping your audience engaged around the clock. And to top it all off, we're using AI analytics to track our progress, measure our success, and keep improving every step of the way. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The world of social media is changing fast, but here's the good news. You have the power to adapt, to evolve, and to come out on top. AI is your secret weapon, your unfair advantage in a crowded digital landscape. Don't just watch from the sidelines, jump in head first and embrace the future of social media. It's time to automate your hustle, amplify your message, and build the business of your dreams. So, what are you waiting for? The tools are out there, the strategies are proven, and the future is waiting. Start experimenting with AI today, explore the possibilities, and watch your social media presence explode. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and tell me what you're most excited to automate using AI. And don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing business strategies, because we're just getting started. Look, you gotta understand, AI isn't some futuristic concept anymore. It's here, it's real, and it's changing the game. Those who adapt, those who embrace the power of AI, they're the ones who are going to win. Don't be the one who sleeps on this. This isn't about replacing the hustle, it's about working smarter, not harder. Use AI to free up your time, to focus on the things that really move the needle. Connect with your audience, build real relationships, and provide insane value. That's how you win in the long game. So get off your butt, start experimenting with AI, and let's crush it together.